Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Learn English with Afolabi. Today, I'll talk about the sound. The sound is a dental fricative voiceless sound. We have it in most words containing th. So we have it in death, healthy, leather, throat, worthless, think, birth. So do not say death. Do not say death. You should say death, death, death. Do not say healthy. You should say healthy, healthy, healthy. Do not say leather. You should say lethal, lethal, lethal. Do not say throat. You should say throat, throat, throat. Do not say worthless. Do not say worthless. You should say worthless, worthless, worthless. Do not say think, think. You should say think, think. Do not say bed. You should say birth, birth, birth. Note that in the production of the sound, the tongue lies between the upper teeth and the lower teeth and does not touch the alveolar ridge. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.